and I present a research conducted with Francesco Ceresica called System Dynamics Model to Support Tech Companies in Managing Clinical Risk. We present here the attention of healthcare companies about clinical risk management increased because of a higher people's sensibility about patient safety, a greater stress given by media to news-related clinical or medical errors, in Italy called mala sanità, and a relevant increase of compensation claim, and consequently, a relevant increase, and consequently, a relevant increase of insurance costs. For this reason, in healthcare sector, have been imported several clinical risk methods from industrial sector. For example, incident reporting, root cause analysis, and so on. But unfortunately, these methods don't take in account the cost and their effect on the personnel management. Consequently, sometimes healthcare companies do not invest in clinical risk management policies because of high cost and the increasing complexity that these methods imply. But, however, an improvement of clinical risk profile often obtain an improvement on the image of the company and competitiveness, and no less important human saving and reduction of cost. Therefore, it could be useful to adopt a methodology to evaluate the effect of the policy both in short and medium long term. The traditional methods of clinical risk management are based on a linear analysis of the variable of the system. In particular, these methods are linear because don't take in account the feedback between the different variables of the subsystem. Are static because don't take in account the delay between the cause and the effect, and consequently, they can simulate future trends. Are inadequate to helping in setting safety targets and evaluating safety performance, and don't take in account the relationship between different risks one each other, don't support healthcare manager to choose the best policy, and don't take in account the cost, monetary and non-monetary. The application of system dynamic methodology to clinical risk management facilitates deep analysis of business process and operating process in order to identify the critical area and the possible intervention. And moreover, the adoption of systemic and multidynamic approach allows to evaluate the effect in short and medium long term. A first application of system dynamic methodology to clinical risk management is found in a research conducted by Ceresica in 2012. The main aim of the research was to build a system dynamic model to support healthcare management in evaluate the relationship between the main factor that determine the probability of clinical errors. That is human, organizational, infrastructural, and technological. The study was carried out in 3 healthcare companies located in Sicily. To collect data about the clinical risk procedures adopted by the healthcare companies, it were interviewed the main actor of clinical risk management, and a questionnaire was administered to a sample of personnel. The system dynamics model building activity implied a deep analysis of the main operating process in order to identify the best policy that help to able to reduce clinical risk and improve financial outcome. For the qualitative